So we've set up our experiment now. I've used a cup of water. I just used tap water. I measured out exactly 1 cup and poured it into my clear glass, just like we talked about in what we were going to do for this lab. And I have my whole Alka-Seltzer tablet. I want to get my timer ready. Actually, I'm going to use the stopwatch so we can see how long it takes. I'm going to get it over here. On your mark, get set, go. And as I'm doing this, my goal is when the bubbling stops being very active. So I've got my big tablet, it's going. Stop this. I have 42.87 seconds. I want to make sure I record what unit of measurement I'm using here, because when people look at your data, they need to know what's going on. Now, I'm going to carry out this same experiment. Everything is identical, except I've broken my Alka-Seltzer into 4 parts. I do observe, though, that I left a little bit behind. So I made a note of that in my lab, and we'll talk about that when we get to the analysis section when we're doing the follow-up here. So, okay. On your mark, get set, go. I know this is kind of strange, but this one made better noises than the other one. I don't know if you could pick that up on the video or not, but I'm going to record that in my observations too, that the noise level was different. It made some squeaky noises. All right, and it looks like we're at 40.14 seconds. Okay, in the lab, we can't be satisfied with just one trial. So notice I have my data table set up to do trial 2 and trial 3. I want everything in those trials to be identical to the first trial. So we're going to collect that data, and then we'll come back and talk more about calculations and analysis.